My name is Chaminda Hettiarachchi. I am an academic from Sri Lanka. I am visiting Dayananda Sagar University the first time as a visiting faculty. I just arrived during the last weekend. This is my second day here. I have been teaching 2 MBA programs on Industry 4 and Project Management. In fact, it's an honor and also a very high pleasure for me to come for the first time in this dynamic and young university. As a Sri Lankan, I have been coming and doing work, mainly teaching and doing some research work in India for last 20 years. So I have visited many cities in India. I think I most frequently visited Delhi for more than 100 times, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. But this is my second visit to Bangalore. I came last time in 2006, but this is almost after 2 decades. So I'm very impressed about what's happening around in the city in general, adaptation of technology, improvements in housing, education, and a lot of other businesses. So I'm very impressed. So Dayananda Sagar University is actually a good symbol of rising and confident young India. You see, as I mentioned, you have been seeing the transformation in India from 2000 up to now. This university is a good example for that model, very progressive, dynamic, and young place where the faculty and students interact very informally in a very friendly manner. And also, this university has very good infrastructure and a lot of facilities. Again, I want to mention I might have visited more than 100 business schools from North America, Europe, including Harvard Business School, Sided Business School in the UK, Judge Business School, and many places in India and in other parts of in South Asia and elsewhere. Based on that experience, I think this is also in par with such universities and business schools in terms of dynamism, in terms of innovativeness. So I think the people who are studying here and the faculty are really blessed to have this kind of institution in the locality and to compete globally. So I am very much happy and I am very much satisfied about the welcoming and the opportunity I got. At the same time, I think the people here, the community, DSU community, are blessed people to have this kind of institution. So I wish all the best, particularly for the young students here, to have a good future career, as well as the institution to become one of most recognized place in the world. Thank you very much.